are some common action verbs. It's very necessary. If you are learning English without action verbs, you can't able to speak English. So let's start. Clap, clap. Hug, hug. Fight, fight. Sleep, sleep. Cook, cook. Drink, drink. Knock, knock. Turned on, turned on. Turned off, turned off. Dance, dance. Sing, sing. Pant, pant. Hit, hit. Ride, ride. Throw, throw. Kiss, kiss. Pray, pray. Love, love. Abuse, abuse. Accuse of, accuse of. Afford, afford. Declare, declare. Anticipate, anticipate. Appreciate, appreciate. Avoid, avoid. Adapt, adapt. Relax, relax. Sip on, sip on. Soil, soil. Think about, think about. Take a nap, take a nap. Dream, dream. Bad farewell, bad farewell. Had to, had to. Lie, lie. Jump, jump. Pick up, pick up. Put down, put down. Walk, walk. Run, run. Fall, fall. Fly, fly. Cruel, cruel. Climb, climb. Push, push. Pull, pull. Catch, catch. Throw, throw. Sew, sew. Hug, hug. Kiss, kiss. Cook, cook. Play, play. Think, think. Listen, listen. Cry, cry. Cut, cut. Jump, jump. Sleep, sleep. Read, read. Wait, wait. Eat, eat. Kick, kick. Hit, hit. Snore. Teach, teach. Sharing, sharing. Planning cards, planning cards. Planning chess, planning chess. Planning an instrument, planning an instrument. Bathing, bathing. Skateboarding, skateboarding. Rolling skating, rolling skating. Cycling, cycling. Playing volleyball, playing volleyball. Laughing, laughing. Shouting, shouting. Cleaning, cleaning. Swimming, swimming. Surfing, surfing. Camping, camping. Flying a kite, flying a kite. Fishing, fishing. Driving, driving. Counting, counting. Walk, walk. Run, run. Stand, stand. Cry, cry. Read, read. Laugh, laugh. Play, play. Ride, ride. Think, think. Jump, jump. Run, run. Jump, jump. Dance, dance. swim, swim, read, read, write, write, speak, speak, listen, listen, eat, eat, drink, drink, sleep, sleep, walk, sing, sing, climb, climb, play, play, build, build, create, create, paint, paint, drive, drive, cook, cook, fly, fly, laugh, laugh, cry, cry, hug, hug, kiss, kiss, think, think, solve, solve, teach, teach, learn, learn, work, work, exercise, exercise, clap, clap, shake, shake, meditate, meditate. I pronounce these words over and over just for you that you can remember easily these words. Climb, climb, plant, plant, grow, grow, hate, hate, drink, drink, trust, trust, lose, lose, sleep, sleep, learn, learn, love, love, burn, burn, help, help, exercise, exercise, clean, clean, watch, watch, call, call, visit, visit, learn, learn, travel, travel, attend, attend, write, write, take, take. Here are some examples. Climb. You can climb the tree. I like climbing mountains. Cut. Please cut my hair. I just cut my finger. Close. Please close the door. Close your eyes. Dream. I'll dream about you. Our dreams come true. Cook. I can't cook. My hobby is cooking. Drink. Do you drink coffee? Don't drink and drive. Cry. Don't cry. Are you crying? Hug. Can I hug you? Why don't you hug me? Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.